It is not very often that you find a car that can sit 6 people, but this SUV right here does exactly that, and it does it pretty well. This is the 2022 Mazda CX-8 2.5 High Plus, and here are the 5 things you need to know. The first thing you'll notice about the Mazda CX-8 is its large size. It shares the same 2.9-meter wheelbase as the Mazda CX-9 and has an overall commanding presence. Now, the 2022 facelift has given the High Plus variants a new weave-like grille that replaces the previous horizontal slates. The headlights are LED lights with Mazda's signature illumination technology. Wheels are 19 inches across the range with different designs with respect to variant. At the back, the CX-8 gets a powered tailgate with a hands-free system as standard. The High Plus variants, be it the petrol or diesel, both get roof rails for added practicality. New to the Mazda CX-8 is a 2.5-litre turbocharged gasoline engine that makes 228 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. It is only 30 Nm less than its diesel version. Paired with the 2.5-litre engine is a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Mazda CX-8 2.5 High Plus is the only version of the CX-8 that gets an all-wheel drive system. It is also the variant with the largest fuel tank capacity with a 74-litre capacity as opposed to the usual 72-litre capacity. Inside, the Mazda CX-8 2.5 High Plus provides 6 seats which are finished in deep red Napa leather upholstery. As a driver, you get a partially digital instrument cluster and a head-up display. Perched on the dashboard is a moderately sized 8-inch head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connectivity. Now, Apple CarPlay can be connected wirelessly, but Android Auto will still require connection via a USB cable. In addition to the touchscreen controls of the head unit, there is a set of controls on the center console that help you keep your eyes on the road as you drive. The second row seats of the 2.5 High Plus are perfect for chauffeuring your parents around as they provide a decent amount of luxury. There's a proper armrest with a proper storage box and USB ports, heated seats, aircon vents with a full set of controls, and window blinds in case the sun is glaring a little bit too much. If there's anything that could make this space more luxurious, it's the addition of a panoramic sunroof. To access the third row seats, you simply need to slide the second row seats forward. There is no fold and tumble function here. Each passenger in the third row gets a USB-A socket, a decently sized cup holder, and a decently sized cubby space. With all 6 seats occupied, the boot of the CX-8 can fit several hand carry size bags. To get more space, you simply need to fold down the third row seats. As for safety, the CX-8 2.5 High Plus is equipped with iActiveSense advanced safety technologies. This includes adaptive front lighting system, high beam control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning and lane keep assist, smart city brake support, smart brake support, and Mazda radar cruise control. The 2022 Mazda CX-8 2.5 High Plus fetches a price of 221,000 ringgit. Premium body colours will cost an additional 3,000 ringgit. Included in the price of the car is a 5-year 100,000 km manufacturer warranty and a 5-year 100,000 km free maintenance package that includes labour, parts and lubricants. For more information on the 2022 Mazda CX-8 2.5 High Plus, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.